So yeah. Then you blend where the two lines also. So now I'm contouring light contour, liquid contour anyway, with one of my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm also contouring the nose with the same product. Now I'm setting the contoured part too with a powder, with a Milani 108 powder.